everything you need to add and edit audio on the go is already built into the Rush mobile app. Tap the audio panel and you'll see a browse button, which will let you seamlessly insert royalty-free soundtracks, sound effects, and loops for easy editing. Like any audio clip, these can be adjusted with the settings in the audio panel. You can assign a type to an audio clip for vocals, music, or other, but Rush can also auto-detect this for you. Each audio type has different options, like reducing background noise or echo, or enhancing vocals, or even automatically ducking the music to a lower volume when dialogue is present. This comes in so clutch for when you're quickly editing a vlog. To preview your audio before and after these changes, hit the on and off toggle switch. And now you're ready to make your next project sound like a professional production.